Hello folks, once again welcome to Ruth's Gourmet Kitchen. Today we are going to go spicy. We're going to go all the way to Buffalo. We're making some spicy delicious buffalo wings today, and I thought I'd take you guys on the journey with me to do that. I have 2 pounds of chicken wings here. I got them already cut, so I didn't have to cut them. I washed them with lime and salt and soaked it for 20 minutes. Then I seasoned with a little black pepper, seasoned salt and garlic powder. Not very much because we're doing buffalo wings. And of course I like to season prior to me cooking because I gotta get my flavors in there, guys. So I can't just wash and cook and eat. It doesn't taste the same. So for this recipe I need 2 pounds of wings. I need some 2-3 tablespoons of ketchup, a stick of butter, and we're gonna use red hot. That goes on everything. You guys know how it goes. We're using Frank's Red Hot. I'm gonna use some parsley for garnishing. So my stove is preheated. Let's go straight to the stove and get cracking with this beautiful buffalo chicken wings. I'm not gonna stand here all night frying, guys. I'm just gonna start the wings and then I'm gonna let it fry on its own, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final results and what we are going to make the buffalo wing sauce together. But I'm going to just continue frying off camera. So we started the wings. The stove is hot. You can hear it sizzling. That means my stove is hot and going. So give me a few minutes. We'll be back. And we are going to make the sauce together. I'll see you guys shortly. Bye for now. Bye. Folks, my wings are done. So now we are going to make our buffalo sauce to coat these delicious wings. We are going to start with our stick of butter. We are going to melt that down. Then we are going to throw in our ketchup. And we are going to stir that. So the sauce calls for ketchup, butter, and of course the spicy sauce that we are going to put in now. Guys, if you like it really spicy, you can put in whatever amount you want. But I'm going to be very gentle today because kids are going to be eating this afterwards. So I'm going to go with about 3 teaspoons of sauce. Let me see how hot this is. Oh no, this could take some more pepper. So there, our buffalo sauce is actually ready. Just bring it to a boil a little bit, and then it's all done. We are going to put it over our chicken and toss it around for a bit, and then we are going to plate these beautiful buffalo wings. Yes, this is perfect. It's not even hot. Wow, it's just tasty. You can taste the flavors of the ketchup. It smells nice. You can smell the nice aroma of the pepper and the butter and the ketchup in here. Guys, we don't have to go to Buffalo to get buffalo wings. We can do this ourselves. We don't have to wait for the Super Bowl to go to the restaurant to eat this. Here. Look at this, simple. We could make this ourselves at home. Look at that, how easy it was. We are going to toss this and make sure everybody gets some. Look at that. Easy as this. Look at that, folks. Our buffalo wings. If you want like it really spicy, go right ahead. Let's go to the plate, and we are gonna serve these today with, toss them. Oh, it smells delicious, guys. We are gonna serve this today as buffalo wings are normally served with celery sticks and blue cheese. So we are gonna plate these wings. Look at that, guys. Tell me why we have to go to the restaurant when we could make all these things ourselves. Look at that. And pay so much money for it. Beautiful buffalo wings by Roots Gourmet Kitchen. Time for our test. Just the garnish. There you are with some fresh chive on our buffalo wings. Let's do a taste test. Beautiful, folks. Just enough pepper. Perfect. You can taste the barbecue, the ketchup, the butter. You can taste everything. You can taste the pepper. But if you want it really strong, you can always put more. Today, folks, if you like my buffalo wing recipe, please leave a thumbs up. Leave a message, and please do not forget to subscribe to Roots Gourmet Kitchen, and also share with your friends. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again. Try these at home. It's delicious.